Welcome back to the channel. I'm here on location in St. Cloud, Florida. We are in Hannover Lakes. Hanover is a builder, or was a builder. They got bought out by Landsea Homes, but Hanover had been around for quite a few years. A very reputable builder family, and great work, great details in their projects. And so they developed this community, Hannover Lakes, very unique. And most of the homes have like canals behind it to where you could actually put a boat dock. You could actually park your boat in the backyard and take it out to the lake. So it's a very nice concept. But they have been around for a few years in this community selling. This community is nearing its closeout. So there's still homes to be purchased, still homes to be built. The home behind me that I'm going to show you here in a few seconds is the Emerson. It's around 2,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. And I'll just let the house do the talking. But before you go, hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and bell notification icon. And let's take that tour.